List 251 genus of fern and where to buy them. Ferns are an ancient group of plants that have captivated botanists, nature enthusiasts, and gardeners for centuries. Their delicate fronds and lush green foliage make them a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor landscaping. Within the realm of ferns, there exists a diverse and intriguing genus, a group of closely related species that share common characteristics. In this post, we'll take a closer look at the genus of fern and explore some of its fascinating aspects. Before delving into the specifics of the genus of fern, let's clarify what a genus is in botanical classification. In the hierarchical system of biological taxonomy, a genus is a rank above species but below family. It represents a group of closely related species that share common characteristics and are more similar to each other than to species in other genera. Ferns, as a group, exhibit remarkable diversity in terms of their forms, sizes, and habitats. From the diminutive, moss-like filmy ferns that cling to rocks in moist forests to the towering tree ferns of tropical rainforests, ferns have adapted to a wide range of environments around the world. The genus of fern is no exception to this diversity, with numerous species each having its unique characteristics and adaptations. While ferns comprise a vast and diverse group, several genera within this group stand out for their unique features and widespread distribution. Let's explore a few of these genera. 1. Abacopterus. 2. Aberdictium. 3. Acrosaurus. 4. Acrosticum. 5. Actiniopterus. 6. Actinostiches. 7. Acistopterus. 8. Adenophorus. 9. Adiantopsis. 10. Adiantum. 11. Aglomorpha. 12. Alansmia. 13. Aluritopterus. 14. Alsophylla. 15. Amoropelta. 16. Anemia. 17. Angiopterus. 18. Anagramma. 19. Antrophiopsis. 20. Antrophium. 21. Arachnioids. 22. Archigrammitis. 23. Argyrocosma. 24. Arthrobatria. 25. Arthromerus. 26. Arthropterus. 27. Aspidotus. 28. Asplenium. 29. Astrolepis. 30. Aetherium. 31. Ostroblechnum. 32. Ostrogram. 33. Azala. 34. Blechnopsis. 35. Blechnum. 36. Blodiella. 37. Bulbitis. 38. Bommeria. 39. Bosmania. 40. Batricium. 41. Calcephalopterus. 42. Calistopterus. 43. Calliclina. 44. Calimedon. 45. Campilonerum. 46. Cephalomanes. 47. Ceridenia. 48. Ceratopterus. 49. Cerasora. 50. Chylantz. 51. Chiroglossa. 52. Chiropluria. 53. Chingia. 54. Cristella. 55. Christensennia. 56. Sabodium. 57. Cochlidium. 58. Coniogram. 59. Coryphopterus. 60. Cranphilia. 61. Crepidamines. 62. Cryptogramma. 63. Tinnitus. 64. Tenopterella. 65. Colcida. 66. Cyathea. 67. Cyathidaria. 68. Cyclodium. 69. Cyclogramma. 70. Cyclopeltis. 71. Cyclosaurus. 72. Sertomium. 73. Cystopterus. 74. Danaea. 75. Dasygramitis. 76. Divalia. 77. Dendroconch. 78. Dinstaedscha. 79. Deparia. 80. Desmophleboium. 81. Dixonia. 82. Dicranopterus. 83. Dictymia. 84. Didymoglossum. 85. Diplasiopsis. 86. Diplasium. 87. Diploblechnum. 88. Diplopterygium. 89. Dipterus. 90. Dugia. 91. Doriopterus. 92. Dracoglossum. 93. Dryopterus. 94. Elaphoglossum. 95. Intrasora. 96. Equisetum. 97. Eupodium. 98. Gaga. 99. Gastiniella. 100. Glaphoropterodopsis. 101. Glycinia. 102. Goniophleboium. 103. Goniopterus. 104, Grammitis. 105, Grypothrix. 106, Gymnocarpium. 107, Gymnosphera. 108, Haplopterus. 109, Hesistopterus. 110, Helminthostiches. 111, Hemionitis. 112, Histiopterus. 113, Hya. 114, Hymenosplenium. 115, Hymenophyllum. 116, Hypodomatium. 117, Hypoderus. 118, Hypolepis. 119, Jamesonia. 120, Lastriopsis. 121, Lechinopterus. 122, Lelangeria. 123, Lemophyllum. 124, Lepisaurus. 125, Leptoculus. 126, Leptopterus. 127, Leucostegia. 128, Leucotrichum. 129, Lincea. 130, Lomogramma. 131, Lomaria. 132, Lomeridium. 133, Lomariocycus. 134, Lomariopsis. 135, Lonchitis. 136, Lophosauria. 137, Loxogram. 138, Lygodium. 139, Lidoneuron. 140, Maratia. 141, Marsilia. 142, Metonia. 143, Megalastrum. 144, Melpomene. 145, Menisciopsis. 146, Metaxia. 147, Michelia. 148, Microgramma. 149, Microlepia. 150, Micropolypodium. 151, Microsorum. 152, Maldella. 153, Monocosorum. 154, Monogramma. 155, Mycopterus. 156, Myriopterus. 157, Neochiropterus. 158, Neolepisaurus. 159, Nephrolepis. 160, Nesalincea. 161, Nephidium. 162, Nothalina. 163, Oceaniopterus. 164, Odontosauria. 165, Enotrichia. 166, Eosporangium. 167, Oleandra. 168, Alfersia. 169, Onychium. 170, Ophioderma. 171, Ophioglossum. 172, Oreopterus. 173, Ormopterus. 174, Osmolincea. 175, Osmunda. 176, Pesia. 177, Parablechnum. 178, Paragymnopterus. 179, Parapolisticum. 180, Parathalipterus. 181, Picluma. 182, Palaeae. 183, Pentagramma. 184, Pinarisidium. 185, Phanerophlebia. 186, Phaneroceros. 187, Phygopterus. 188, Phlebodium. 189, Physomatium. 190, Piliolaria. 191, Pterogramma. 192, Plagiagyria. 193, Platycerium. 194, Planagium. 195, Pleocnemia. 196, Pleopeltis. 197, Nematopterus. 198, Polybotria. 199, Polyphlebium. 200, Polypodiopterus. 201, Polypodium. 202, Polysticopsis. 203, Polysticum. 204, Polytenium. 205, Pernephrium. 206, Silotum. 207, Pteridium. 208, Pterodries. 209, Pteris. 210, Pterizonium. 211, Tisana. 212, Perosia. 213, Radiovitaria. 214, Rhachidoceros. 215, Rumora. 216, Saccoloma. 217, Sedleria. 218, Salpiclina. 219, Salvinia. 220, Septridium. 221, Schitzia. 222, Selagia. 223, Serpicolin. 225, Sphenomeris. 226, Steganogramma. 227, Stenoclina. 228, Sticherus. 229, Stigmatopterus. 230, Struthiopterus. 231, Syngramma. 232, Taenitis. 233, Taponidium. 234, Tectaria. 235, Teratophyllum. 236, Terpsichore. 237, Thalipterus. 238, Thylacopterus. 239, Tmesipterus. 240, Todea. 241, Trachypterus. 242, Tricholopidium. 243, Trichomanes. 244, Triplophyllum. 245, Trionia. 246, Vaginularia. 247, Vandenboschia. 248, Bateria. 249, Woodza. 250, Woodwardia. 251, Zealandia. Conclusion: the genus of fern, a world to explore. Ferns play essential roles in ecosystems as they provide shelter and food for various wildlife species. They also contribute to soil stabilization and nutrient cycling. However, like many other plant groups, some fern species face threats due to habitat loss and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique plants and their habitats. The genus of fern encompasses a vast and captivating world of plant diversity. From their wide array of forms and habitats to their crucial ecological roles, ferns are plants worthy of admiration and study. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, exploring the genus of fern is an enriching journey into the heart of the plant kingdom. So, next time you encounter a fern in the wild or in your garden, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable diversity and resilience of these ancient plants.